I expect you need a good stiff drink after the pasting I just gave you again on the tennis court, Charlie. What's the excuse this time, old chap?
Indeed, Billy. I was up to the early hours trying to fix the electrics at my house.
Excuses, excuses.
No, really. My missus was using her deluxe hairdryer in the bath again. I warned her against it, but she blew the blooming fuse box for good this time. I tried fixing the problem but gave up at 3:30 this morning. By then I was more tired than an asthmatic pensioner hiking up Kilimanjaro.
Well, that explains your subpar performance on the tennis court. Not you worry. Why don't you give the folks at Home Force a phone call? All their electricians are vetted and appraised. Their number is 0131315000.